Hey everyone, in this video we're gonna show you how to fix slow download speeds on Windows 11 so you can get your files and updates a lot faster. So first, simply try restarting your router and PC. So it sounds simple, but it actually clears out a lot of temporary network issues that slow everything down. Next, you can also check if Windows is running any background updates. So to do this, simply go to Settings, then Windows Update, and from here you then have to pause any updates temporarily, so this alone instantly frees up any bandwidth. Now you can also try turning off delivery optimization. So simply go to Settings, then Windows Update, then Advanced Options, then Delivery Optimization. From there, you can then turn it off so your PC isn't sharing any bandwidth with other devices. So if you're still slow, you can also try opening Task Manager and close any apps using your network. So this could be apps like Steam, Epic Games, or Cloud Backups. And after doing these steps, your download speeds should jump back to normal. So that's really it. So that's all we had for this video. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.